Welcome back, guys. This is Daystate's 4-piston, 110 volt, 4500 PSI air compressor. Today, I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to use it, and how to maintain it. Coming up. AEAC is made possible by JSB Match Diablo, H&N Sport, Predator International, Air Arms, Crossman Corporation, Daystate, FX Airguns, Sports Match Rings UK, Rapid Air Weapons, and Aztec Optics. And you guys know the best way to thank them. The Daystate 110 volt plug-in compressor is a commercial grade miniature. Packing the punch of 4 pistons, it gets the job done quick, and it's more so designed to fill air tanks rather than air guns directly. It's made by Coltri, they're out of Italy, and they're well known for performance and rugged reliability. And they better be. At $2,300, I've got some pretty high expectations. The 110 weighs 80 pounds, so while it's easy-ish to move around, it could pose a challenge for some. But with that weight comes a 4-stage pump and a 15-amp electric motor that generates just over 1 horsepower and utilizes a no-maintenance belt drive system. But it's not totally hands-free. It'll require annual oil changes and for you to turn it on and off, as well as purge the moisture at 10 to 15-minute intervals. Setup's a breeze. Take it out of the box and fill it with the supplied oil. Remove the vent cap cover only, taking care not to unscrew the entire thing. Fill to the appropriate lines on the dipstick. It should take around half a bottle. CE 750 comes with it, but Nuvair 751 is an acceptable alternative. Don't over-tighten the vent cover. Change the oil after the first 5 hours, and then annually, or every 50 hours, whichever comes first. Make sure the vent cover and dipstick are removed when you do this. Propping up the opposite end of the compressor can help it drain better. A little metal flake is normal, and if you get it like I did, it's probably not a bad idea to change the oil after each hour of operation until it's gone. Don't forget to put the washer back on the drain bolt. Snug it up and refill it with oil. This 100 cubic foot 4500 PSI Omega tank is completely empty. Daystate recommends you start the compressor with the condensation drain valve in the open position. This keeps motor load low for the start. And we'll be closing our air cylinder's yoke and bleed valve for our compressor's safety startup procedure. Now close the condensation drains valve to begin to pressurize the line between the compressor and the air cylinder. When you do, you'll see the air gauge on the compressor begin to rise sharply. And this is what we want, because you'll want to test the safety blow-off valve's function before each use. It should begin to release pressure at around 330 bar, simulating an overfill or unattended condition. Now open the yoke to your air cylinder. It'll begin to pressurize. Just 10 minutes later and our tank is already beginning to fill. And it's time to purge moisture through the condensation drain valve. It's normal to see an oil-water mixture form on the floor of the compressor. It'll drip from this valve. Just an hour and 19 minutes later, and we're full. The Daystate 110 will take this 100 cubic foot tank from 3,000 to 4,500 in just 26.5 minutes. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you, Airguns of Arizona, for getting the Daystate 110 into my hands to review for you guys. If you think this compressor is for you and you want to pick one up, that's where you go. Now from here, you'll want to head on over to the Airgun Nation forum so that you can participate in the discussion thread on this compressor. I'll leave a link to this video in the compressor section over there at Airgun Nation. As for me, please don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, comment, tell all your friends about us, and be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and AEAConline.com for behind-the-scenes pictures and information leading up to each and every one of these videos. I'll share things there that won't make it onto YouTube, and you guys won't want to miss out. So with that, I'm Steve Shalley. I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again real soon.